Yes.
May I please, Your Worship? Allow to pick the mission item number 28, 29. Let this matter will come up after three weeks.
After
3 weeks, my lord.
28, 29.
Yes.
You are for?
I am for respondent number 3. Union of India, my lord.
Okay. Who is
Worship,
for that?
I'm avering on behalf of the petitioner. Worship, the minimum listed in the first week of March.
First week of March.
Your Lordship.
Check, on the prayer of Mr.
That is only, my lord.
Land Council for the respondent number 3 and Mr.
What is your miss?
Land Council for the petitioner. List is
I'm
matter.
avering on behalf of the council for the petition.
Okay.
I'm not in this case.
Okay, Mr. Sanjay, appearing on behalf of Mr.
Sitar.
Sita,
Sitar.
and counsel for the petitioner, list this matter
The first week of March.
in the first week of March. Okay,
Moderate.
May I please, my lord?
yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10.
Mm.
In this matter, your lordship, I will bring for respondent number 1. If 3 weeks' time can kindly be granted, your lordship, to obtain the necessary instruction.
You are for respondent number?
1. And additionally, V. Shokri is appearing for the other respondent, my lord.
Okay, and you are for
For the petitioner, my lord.
petitioner? No objection.
No objection.
Okay. Mr. You are praying for? Praying on behalf of?
No, lordship, I'm appearing in the matter, your lordship,
Okay.
for respondent number 1.
Respondent and another?
V. Shokri, additionally,
Shokri.
yes, your lordship
Okay.
is appearing for the other respondent, your lordship.
Okay.
We have a joint prayer, my lord.
Join prayer. This software. Praise for listing the matter
After 3 weeks, my lord.
after 3 weeks, to which Miss
Attila Pangan, your lordship.
counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
Hmm.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14.
14.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, let this matter be fixed for admission hearing on 5th next month.
It is listed for admission only.
Lordship, my senior is indisposed today.
Okay. You are Mr.
Abel IME
For
for the
petitioner.
petitioner.
Okay, Mr.
Abel
Appearing on
IME,
behalf of
petitioner.
Praise. And Miss
And Repreo,
on behalf of
Mr. N. Mozoy.
praise for listing this matter after
Let the matter be fixed on 5th next Monday.
as a fixed matter.
Monday.
Monday.
Yes, Monday, your lordship.
Okay.
Lordship,
Monday, is it okay?
Lordship,
Monday, is it okay?
Lordship is
Okay.
there is an interim pass earlier, lordship.
Okay. Monday on 5th, huh? Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then. Okay.
Oblige, your lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. Lordship, I may be granted 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit in opposition.
Okay. Who is for the petition?
For the petitioner.
Okay. Miss,
And Repreo, for respondent number 3.
for respondent number 3, praise for what a 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number
3, Lordship.
3. Stop. Mr. Medovero, land counsel for the petitioner is also present. And he has no objection to the prayer made by the land counsel for the respondent staff. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Oblige, Lordship.
Oblige, my lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. We are yet to file our reply affidavit, so I pray that 3 weeks' time may be granted.
Okay, you for the respondent,
I'm for the sole respondent.
so respondent, Mr.
I, Jamir, Lordship.
Land counsel for the petitioner. Praise for how much time?
3 weeks' time.
3 weeks time to file reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent. Stop. Mr.
Sukachi, Lordship.
is also learner counsel for the sole respondent is also present. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, there's an interim, Lordship.
In the, okay, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till then. Okay,
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
yeah,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21 and 22.
20,
Your Lordship.
1 and 22.
No, 21 and 22. Yes, I pray this matter be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
21 and 22.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, state is also present. Okay. Miss,
Vitere.
Direct counsel for the petitioner. And Miss Direct PP. Staff. You want on this after?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. Miss Direct counsel for the petitioner prays for listing this matter after 2 weeks. The prayer is not been objected by Learned PP. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 24.
Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, I'm for the petition. The applicant. Your Lordship, kindly list this matter after a week, Your Lordship.
Okay. Miss Learned counsel for petitioner prays for listing this matter after
1 week.
1 week.
And Your Lordship, the interim protection given earlier may be kindly be extended.
The prayer is allowed. This is matter after a week. The interim protection granted earlier shall continue till then. Okay.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior has some difficulty, so kindly list the matter on 11 March.
So, Mr. No objection.
No objection, Lordship.
Miss
I'm for respondent number 2.
Priya Kriller
Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted. Our senior
has some personal difficulty.
has some personal difficulties and prays for listing this matter after.
On 11 March, Your Lordship.
Okay, prays for listing this matter on 11 March.
Lordship,
Stop.
there is interim. Interim may continue.
Mr. Joseko for the Learned counsel for the respondent. And Mr. You are also, you are also for this, Jimomi. For respondent?
Number 1.
Okay, one. Are also present and has no objection to the prayer made by the Learned counsel for appearing for the petitioner. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. Staff. List this matter on
11 March, Your Lordship.
11 March. In the meantime, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till continue. Okay, stop.
Right.
Okay.
Let's-
Lordship, I beg to mention item 15, Lordship, 1-5. I'm for the petitioner, Lordship, senior some difficulties. So Lordship, the matter may be posted on Thursday, Lordship.
Okay.
I'm afraid for respondent number 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay. Mr. Joseko Patel, Learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for listing this matter
On Thursday, Lordship,
on this Thursday.
this Thursday, Lordship, if the Lordship can accommodate.
Okay. Thursday is on which date? Okay. Thursday, 1. Okay. Is prayed for by Mr. Joseko Forte, Land Council for the petition at least is matter on 1/1/2024. Miss, okay, stop. Miss,
Mika Lordship.
Land Council for the respondent number 1 and 2 and Miss.
Lordship, on behalf of K. Angami, the Lord.
Okay. Appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Angami for the respondent number.
For the official respondents.
Okay, for official respondent are also present. Okay.
Lordship, there's an interim, kindly the interim continue.
List is matter on first, in the meantime. The interim order passed earlier, shall continue till then. Okay.
Oblige, my lord.
May I please?
Mr. Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 30 on behalf of the council for appellants
1/3.
30. Since the living council is out of station, I pray that it may be listed after 3 weeks.
Miss,
It's on behalf of Mr. City Jamir.
who is for the first appeal? Who is for the?
And for the sole respondent.
Okay. Miss. Land Council appearing on behalf of,
Appellant,
okay. Land Council for appellant, praise for
3 weeks time. After, it may be listed after
listing
3
this
weeks.
matter after 3 weeks, which Miss
Miss Lucino, sole respondent.
Lucino. Land Council for the sole respondent has no objection. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item 33. 33. This is a joint prayer of both the councils for the parties. Since they are both out of station,
Okay.
it may be listed after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Lordship,
Miss,
2 weeks.
no objection.
No objection, lord.
Okay. Miss
On behalf of Imkong Jamir,
Imkan Jamil. So appearing on behalf of Imkan Jamil, Lana Council for the appellant. Praise for
2 weeks.
listing this matter after 2 weeks, to which Mr. Foseko Forte, Lana Council for the respondent has no objection. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Okay.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 and 7, Lordship. Lordship, here I have received the counter filed by the union in WPC 50 of 2020, Lordship. And Lordship, so I may be granted 3 weeks time to file my reply.
To file
Lordship.
affidavit and reply.
Yes, Lordship, to file affidavit in reply
Okay.
to the counter filed by the union, Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship, they're saying that
Yeah.
they will not be filing their counter in WPC 204, 2021, Lordship. So
Okay.
if that can be recorded.
Only in 50.
Yes, Lordship.
In the,
So-
in the 50.
To the counter filed by the Miss Lucino for the petition, Lordship.
Lucino. Lana Council for the petitioner. Praise for
3 weeks time.
time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit filed by the
Filing their counter.
staff. Mr.
On behalf of additional AG, we support.
Okay, there's no objection to the prayer made by the Lana Council for the petitioner. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List is made up after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship.
and then the.
Oh.
And what about this
And
70?
Lordship, in
7?
item number 7,
This may also come with.
I have
the-
been informed that the union will not be filing their
Okay,
affidavit. So the, yes, Lordship.
okay,
So Lordship, if that can be reflected in the order,
okay.
that the affidavit of 50 will also suffice for affidavit
Okay.
in WPC 204.
Miss Luciano. Pray for listing this matter along with the WPC 50 2020. She also submits that the petitioner shall not be filing.
No, not petitioner, Lordship.
Who?
The union, Lordship, that is
The Union of India, Union of India will not file affidavit in reply,
Yes, Lordship.
affidavit in opposition.
In the second case, we are not filing.
Lordship.
The first bit.
Okay, the
There-
Union of India.
Here, the union is, Lordship, respond number 5, 6, and 7.
Okay, the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 is not filing affidavit in opposition, affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Lordship, in
Okay.
204 of
Okay,
2021.
okay. List this matter along with the PC 50, 2020 after
3 weeks.
after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Mr. Lordship, I
Yes,
beg to mention item 35 in supplementary business.
35.
In
Okay.
contempt petition.
Order.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 7 and 8.
Okay,
Hence, I may be allowed to file affidavit and maybe granted 3 weeks time.
okay.
Your Lordship, in the previous order, respondent number 10 was, the service upon respondent number 10 was not complete. However, the file notings dated 26/12/2023 states that respondent number 10 has been duly served notice. So,
They are not,
I'm applying for respondent number 10.
okay,
Already filed my.
already filed.
On behalf of respondent number 10.
You have received the copy?
No, I haven't.
Oh, not
not
yet.
yet.
Okay.
I'll serve the copy today.
So, 7 and respondent number 7 and 8 is seeking for some more time. You have no objection. Okay, Mr. Mr.
I'm appearing for 7 and 8.
Yes, okay.
LD
Mr.
Sanctum
Okay,
and for
Line Council for the
Yeah.
respondent number 7 and
7
8.
and 8.
Raise,
3 weeks time.
Lordship, my senior is indisposed today.
okay. So how it
You
is?
I'll give you copies.
If there is difficulties. If there is any difficulty, I can leave it. Okay,
Your Lordship, I have similar prayer for my learned friend in Dim Song. He
okay.
is appearing for item, sorry, respondent number 4 and 9.
4 and 9 have already filed their affidavit,
No, the 4 and 9 also
He's praying for
seeking time.
second time,
3
okay.
weeks time.
In any case, since we are granting 3 weeks time, it's fine, okay.
Please, your Lordship.
Wait, just a minute, to which Mr. You're for the,
I'm for the petitioner.
petitioner, Mr.
Mr. Aaron Long, Your Lordship.
R
Aaron Long.
or RM law. And counsel for the petitioner has no objection to stop. List this matter after 3 weeks, stop. In the meantime, the respondent number 4, 7, 8, 9 shall file their affidavit. Stop. And and the respondent number 10 shall also serve copy of the affidavit to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Okay. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Oblige.
May I please, Lordship, maybe please to mention item number 18,
Meeting.
18. Your Lordship, let the matter come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship,
You are for the
for the state, Your Lordship,
state.
or for the
Who
country.
is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I'm on behalf of the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Mawapang.
Okay. Mr. Seho Forte, appearing on behalf of learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Lima Wapang is present. Miss,
Libika, Your Lordship.
learned counsel for the respondent number
Oh, Your Lordship, 1 to 4,
1.
1 to 4, Your Lordship.
Okay, all the respond appearing on behalf of.
Your Lordship, my apology, 1 to 2, 1 and 2.
1 and 2 only.
1 and 2, okay. 1 and 2. Raise for
3 weeks,
list-
Your Lordship.
listing this matter. Have you filed your affidavit?
No, Your Lordship, for compliance, so Your Lordship, it is partially complied, except
Okay,
like we have
partially.
to
Okay.
issue a termination order.
Oh, praise for further 2 weeks' time.
3 weeks.
3 weeks' time. To which the Learning Council for the applicant, petitioner has no objection. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, on behalf of additional AG, V. Sokre, I'd like to mention item number 4 and 5. The matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
You are for the respondent.
Yes, for all the
Okay.
respondents.
So petitioner has,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay. Mr.
Mosam Longkong.
Appearing on behalf of additional AG is Miss
V. Sokre.
Miss
V.
Sokre.
Yes.
additional AG for the respondent number. Respondent authority,
All the-
respondents,
Yes,
all the respondents,
all the respond.
praise for. So, okay, to file affidavit or already filed affidavit?
The cabinet has recently gave the approval for regularization, so
Okay.
we wait for
Okay,
Yeah.
praise for listing this matter after
2 weeks.
2 weeks, to which Miss
Berta Tep.
Learning Council for the petitioner has no objection. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay,
Lordship, I'd also like to mention item 13 for
but
on
yeah,
behalf of, yes, V. Sokre.
Hmm.
The state has filed the appeal. So if the COP maybe listed after the disposal of the appeal.
so to be listed after.
The disposal of the appeal.
This is you were mentioning item 13.
13, yes,
This is contempt.
yes.
You are praying for how much time?
To wait for the disposal of the, we have filed an appeal.
Oh, you
Yes.
have filed an appeal
Yes, Lordship,
against the order.
yes,
Okay, so this is to be listed after
after
the
the
appeal is.
disposal of the,
Okay. State has filed appeal,
yes,
appeal.
yes.
You're for the, okay. Mister? You're for the respondent,
All the respondents
All the
on behalf of additional AG.
okay. Appearing on behalf of, who is the additional? Appeal against the order. What is the order dated? Can you just give me the file
Judgment dated 28/06.
against the judgment and order dated
28/06/2022.
28/06/2022,
Lordship.
which is pending. Okay. Hence, pray for listing this matter after the disposal of the appeal. Number, you have the number, appeal number,
Lordship, the matter is not been listed yet.
not yet listed.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Learning Counsel for the petitioner is also present to stop. List this matter after the disposal of the appeal, not yet numbered.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Appeal, huh? Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I also like to mention item 17 on behalf of additional AG, V. Sokre.
Hmm.
3 weeks time may be granted to obtain instructions.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner's counsel.
Okay.
He has some personal difficulties today.
Okay. Mr. Sons appearing on behalf of Ms. V. Sokri. learned additional AG. Correspondent number of all the
All the
respondents.
respondents.
Prays for 3 weeks' time to obtain instruction to file affidavit. Stop. Affidavit to which Miss counsel for the petitioner has no objection. Stop. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship, one more,
Hmm.
item 32 from the hearing list.
Yeah.
Pray for, on behalf of additional AG, again, Ms. Okay, the matter may be listed after 3 weeks. Since everyone is-
Lordship, I'm hearing on behalf of the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, let it come up on March 11, Lordship.
11.
Lordship. The leading council will not be in station, Lordship.
11 February,
March.
March, sorry. You have no problem listing this matter on March.
Yes, no problem.
You are for?
For respondent number 3, Your Lordship, I have no.
Okay, you are for respondent number?
And for the state
Okay.
respondents.
Mr.
One
Hunt, appearing on behalf of Ms. Sokre and additional AG for state respondent, praise for, and then the hard, Mr. Spencer, appearing on behalf of Ms. Sokre, additional AG for for state respondent. Miss
For respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
for respondent number 3, and also Mr.
City rooms.
Counsel for the petitioner. Staff is prayed for by the Land Council for the parties. List is matter on 11 March. Okay,
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 36, supplementary list, Lordship.
36,
Same party, Lordship.
same party.
Lordship. Second appeal, Lordship. Lordship, let it
Same
be-
party.
Lordship.
Okay,
Let it
similar.
be listed on 11 March.
Okay, similar order, huh? Then. Just a minute.
Lordship, here I'm appearing for respondent number 1.
Just a minute, huh? This is, can you just passed, it's 34, no?
36.
Oh, sir, 36.
Supplementary list.
Okay, not this one. Okay, similar order, huh? Just past 34 then, 34, let me see, the 34 one, huh? Which one of the part that?
It's 32, Lordship.
32, okay. 32 is a part hat,
Yes, Lordship.
okay. I think, okay, okay then. It's fine.
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Yes, I'd like to mention item number 23.
23,
Lordship, the counsel for the petitioners are engaged in daily high court. So, it may please your lordship,
where?
23, item number 23.
What,
So if it may please your lordship, the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Lordship, I've taken the
No
concept
objection,
of
Your Lord.
Mr.
Chiroba.
Counsel for the petitioner, praise for listing this matter after 2 weeks,
Lordship, there is an interim also.
to which Mr.
I'm sorry, Your Lord.
Counsel for the respondent has no objection. Stop. List this matter after 2 weeks. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship,
Yeah.
I beg to mention item number 20, Lordship.
20.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, here the legal error is yet to be decided by the district judge, Dimapur. So I pray that this matter may come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, to be certain from the non-council. Yes.
Lordship, we are yet to receive the order of the report of the session judge on LR.
Yes, yes. So, who appeared in the session judge?
We appeared, Lordship.
You appeared.
Yes, the order was reserved by the
Okay.
district concession judge last year, towards the end of last year.
So that now. Kindly just 20. Item 20. You have mentioned item 20.
Lordship. Lordship, by order 19/6/2023, this honorable court has directed the to decide has given
It was to be certain.
put up before the district judge Dimapur to decide the legal heir of the appellant lordship.
So last order. Which order you have just mentioned?
19/6/2023, lordship.
19/6/2023.
Lordship.
In the IA.
Yes, lordship.
Maybe different.
IA 28 and IA 48 of 23. lordship.
So I,
There's two IA, lordship. It's a common order, lordship.
26, date 26.
1906. Yes, lordship. 1906.
So no order.
Yes, however, the order is passing the main case, lordship. It's a common order.
Okay. Okay, substitution petition.
Lordship.
Was it allowed?
Lordship, it
Lordship,
was-
it's yet to
It
be.
was directed to the district concession judge to decide on the
As
LR.
well as shall complete exercise within the, okay, period of 4
4
months.
months. Then on 31/10, another 1 month extension was given.
Okay,
31/10.
so now it is still awaited.
Yes, lordship.
So you are praying for?
If another 3 weeks can be given.
Okay, so it could not be procured due to non-appearance of the witnesses before the session court, probably 1 month's time. Okay, so you want this matter
After 3 weeks, lordship.
after 3 weeks?
Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship, the registry may be directed to pursue with the district concessions judge on its report.
direction already given. So from time to time, it has been extended.
Lordship.
Hard news. You're Joshua,
Mika, lordship.
sir, Mika. Counsel for the appellant
Lordship.
and Mr.
CD Rumso
Counsel for respondent number
for sole respondent.
for the respondent. Is prayed for on the consent of the parties, the prayer for extension of the further period of 3 months, 3 weeks. 3 weeks is granted. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I'm appearing in IA 48 of 2023, Lordship.
In this case,
Lordship, IA 48 of 2023, I'm the applicant here. Similar order may be passed in this IA also as well.
Here also, the order of the district judge is awaited.
Lordship, Lordship,
Yeah, same.
same Lordship.
Okay,
This also, it's a substitution petition, Lordship.
substitute. And then name shall be changed, name will be changed. Mr.
I, Jamir, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the
Applicant,
applicant. And Mr. So, learned counsel for the sole respondent staff is prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
obliged,
Yes,
Lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I'm online from Manipur, your lordship.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, in respect of item number 8, wherein I'm supposed to file my re-applications against the affidavit of respondent number 2. I have prepared, and on top of that, I have sent the copy to respondent counsel, Miss Nancy, but I could not reach the same through like hard copies. So it may be listed after 2 weeks, your lordship, so that I can just dispatch the same from my end.
Okay. So you are filing affidavit in reply.
Reply, your lordship.
Okay. Mr.
C.H. Victor.
Victor, learned counsel for the petitioner. Prays for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Oh, you are for the for respondent number? Or affidavit?
I'm from the petitioner.
Okay, to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2. Who appears for the?
Yes, your lordship, I'm for the respondent too.
Okay, no objection.
There's no objection, your lordship.
The prayer so made by the learned counsel for the petitioner has not been objected to by the Miss
Nancy Lotha.
learned counsel for the respondent number 2 stuff. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List is matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, your lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, item 12, your lordship.
Yes.
On behalf of K. Angame, may I pray this matter be listed after 3 weeks, your lordship.
Your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the counsel for the petition.
Petitioner, okay. Miss learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. Kiangami, learned counsel for the respondent number is
For all the respondents.
for all the respondent prays for listings this matter
After 3 weeks, your lordship.
after 3 weeks, to which Miss
Alitosu,
learned counsel for the
appearing on behalf of the counsel for the petition.
okay appearing on behalf of Mr.
Wati Jamir,
What is the main learned counsel for the petitioner has no objection stuff. The prayer is allowed. List is matter after
3 weeks, your
3
lordship.
weeks. Okay.
Obliged, your lordship.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 26.
26.
Yes, 26. I'm appearing on behalf of Aile Matusi. My lord, let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
For what?
Lord, some unavoidable
What is the state?
circumstances, situations happen.
Yes, you have filed affidavit.
Is affidavit in position to file.
Okay, to file affidavit now. Okay.
Is
Mr.
M. Kasai for Aile Matusi.
appearing on behalf of
Aile Matusi for respondent number 1 and 2.
Matosi appear for I Limatosi, learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2 prays for how much time?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. Stop, Miss.
Mika lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner
Lordship.
is also present. Staff. The prayer for the prayer for 2 weeks time is granted. List is matter after 2 weeks.
Lordship, here the notice upon respondent number 4 is still awaited, Lordship.
Okay.
Whether it's come
Respondent number
4, Lordship.
4.
The-
What about 3?
3, it's the state, Lordship.
3 state.
Oh, state. Okay. Okay, Miss
AIME.
Council for the respondent number 3 is also present. You have filed your
Yes, your
affidavit.
lordship.
Okay. Hmm. So you want to take fresh steps or upon respondent number 4 or what?
Lordship, we're not sure whether it has been accepted. It has been returned, we'll take a new step, Lordship.
Hmm. Respondent number 4. It was delivered. So no one is appearing. No one appears on behalf of. No one appears on behalf of respondent number 4, although the record, the office note 8/12/2023. Let's leave early. No? The office note dated 8/12/2023 reveals that the delivery of the notice upon the respondent number 4 is confirmed. However, no one appears on behalf of the respondent number 4. Okay. List is matter after. List is matter after you prayed for 3 weeks. 3 weeks or 2 weeks?
2 weeks, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. List is after 2 weeks. Okay.
My lord, I also beg to mention item number 27.
27.
27, yes. The same prayer, my lord.
Hmm?
Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Same prayer.
Mr. You are Limatosi.
Yes, on behalf of
Limatosi.
I Limatosi.
Okay, Mr. Appearing on behalf of I Limatosi, Land Council for the appellant. Prays for listing this matter after
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Yes.
No one appears on behalf of the respondent. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
I please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this contempt petition has been filed due to non-compliance of the order dated 3/10/2023 in WPC number 238 of 2019, lordship. Lordship, if let me take you, lordship, to the order. Lordship, it's at page 9 of my contempt petition, lordship.
Yes.
Page 9, and lordship, the relevant paragraphs are in page 29, lordship.
Page 29.
Yes, lordship. Lordship. Page 29, lordship. Lordship, if I may be allowed to read, lordship. Point number 3 and
Yes.
4.
Hmm.
Roman number 3 and 4, lordship.
Hmm.
3, the petitioner in terms of the rule 12 of the rules 2012 shall be entitled 3 advance increments in the time scale of his pay from the date of completion of the doctorate degree. The state respondents shall take steps for granting the advance increments to the petitioner within 90 days from the date of passing of this order, lordship. So, lordship, this order was passed on 3/10/2023, lordship. And then the judgment was served upon the respondents by later dated 9/10/2023, lordship. So, lordship, 19 days has already lapsed.
So the state has not taken any
No,
step,
no, lordship. Nothing has been done yet, lordship.
not initiated.
Lordship.
Hmm. Miss
Miss Lucino for the petition. Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner, stop. Para, this is an application under section 11 and 12 of the Contempt of Court Act 1971. Read with Article 215 of the Constitution of India and the relevant rules of the Honorable rules of the High Court, Honorable High Court. Filed by the petitioner for non-compliance of the
The order is dated 3/10/2023, Lordship.
order dated 3/10/2023, passed in
WPC
WPC
238.
238, 2019. Whereby a state respondent has been directed to take steps for granting the advance increment to the petitioner within 90 days from the date of passing of this said order. Stop. Para. Issue notice. Upon this, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. Para, the petitioner shall take steps upon the respondent, upon all the respondents within
1 week, Lordship.
within 1 week from today by a registered post with AD card, AD staff. List is made after 4 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
I motion item numbers 2 and 3.
Maybe Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, there's an application under section 482, the CRPC for amendment of the cause titled the above, caption the criminal petition 24 of 2023, Lordship. Lordship, at this stage, the petitioner is before the Honorable Court, praying for making the Global Open University as a party respondent. That's number 3, Lordship.
Mm.
On the ground that the informant, that is respondent number 2, has to file the FIR, and based on the FIR, the petitioner was arrested, and she was granted bail, transit bail, and basing on that FIR, the case has been registered against the petitioner, whereas the petitioner is before the Honorable Court for quashing of the petition, stating that there is no ingredient to prosecute the petitioner in the said complaint.
So you want to implead.
So as it's at this stage, Your Lordship, since the respondent 2, there is an informant, is no more an employee as per the FIR, as per the RTI reply filed by the reply of the Global University. That is supposed.
So at the time of filing FIR, whether he was the employee of the
Lordship.
respondent,
Lordship may come to the main petition, Lordship. The criminal petition, Lordship, 24 of
Yes.
The copy of the FIR, Lordship, is at page 60, Lordship, my apologies.
Page 60,
No, Lordship, page 54,
34.
54, 54. Lordship, there, the relevant portion is at page 56. Lordship, may come to page 56, Lordship.
Yes.
At the bottom, Lordship,
Hmm.
this is Mr. Swan, yours truly, Mr.
Hmm?
At the bottom, Lordship, left side,
Yes.
yours truly, so and so. He's the informant, Sushil Singh.
Hmm.
On the right side, it's dated 8/1/2022. Here he is the controller of examinations.
Hmm.
The Lordship went at page 52, Lordship,
Page
52,
52.
when this FIR was registered. The FIRs were registered on 15/4/2023. That is at the top.
But it was
Right.
closed on 28/1.
28/1. But at the time of registering, that's at the top of the right-hand top, 15/4/2023. And Lordship may come to column 6 of the FIR. Column 6F.
Hmm?
Column 6F. Page 52. Page 52, Lordship. Column 6F.
6F. Okay.
Ex-controller of examination. So Lordship,
Here,
at the
till 28/1,
28/1.
2023, he was a controller of examination
Lordship,
of the Global Open University. So that is at the time of filing the FIR.
Lordship.
So
But Lordship may,
there should be course of revision, and then just a minute. He has dated it. Yes, it was registered on 28.
Lordship,
It was, okay, received on 30 January
Lordship,
and registered as at Chumugadima Police Station. It was on 30th January.
Lordship.
No, it was received on 28 only, but then registered shows 30. But then here, they said that
Dated 15/4.
ex-controller.
Lordship.
This
so
was
at- on 15/4/2023.
15.
At the time of Lordship, at the time of filing the Lordship, at the time of filing
In
the
the meantime, he retired.
Lordship, the university has not engaged him as the controller of examination.
So he has filed this FIR in the capacity of controller of examination.
But otherwise, Lordship may come to page 10 of the IA, Lordship.
IA number.
Lordship, I number 2, 2024, Lordship.
Okay.
Page 9. Page 9 is the RTI, Lordship. Lordship, in fact, Lordship, we have come to learn, the petitioner has come to learn from upper level administrative staff of the Global Open University, who has informed that the petitioner that the university had no role in initiating the impugned criminal proceedings against the petitioner.
Where are you reading?
So Lordship, that is at that is a information received
Okay.
from the
Yes.
high level, upper level administrative staff of the Global University. Lordship, as such, we have filed, the council has filed one RTI. RTI is at page number 9, Lordship. I mean, allowed to read.
This is for copy of what? Taking decision to lodge a complaint. I don't know whether the university authority.
I mean, allowed to read, Lordship. The
Yes.
content. Still number 1, whether the university has taken any decision to lodge a complaint dated 28 January 2023, which has been officially recorded at CMD Police Station case number 28 2023 corresponding to GR 276 of 2023. Kindly provide me a copy of the say of your decision, if any, if yes. 2, I would also like to know whether your university authorized Mr. Sushil Singh, Controller of Examination, Global University of Nagaland, to file such a complaint. Also, is Mr. University still the Controller of Examination with your university? So the reply is at page 10, Lordship, the next page.
Okay.
The first
Page,
reply is no, Lordship.
Okay.
No.
Hmm.
So the query is whether the university has taken any decision to lodge a complaint dated 28 January 2023, which is officially recorded at so and so, GR 276, present case. So the university said no. And with respect to the query number 2 also, it's no. The university has neither lodged, filed any complaint, nor the university authorized Mr. Sushil Singh, that is the informant, complainant, doing the main petition to file the CMD police station case number so and so, corresponding to GR case number so and so, Lordship. And Mr. Sushil Singh was controller, last line, Lordship, of the university from 1/6/2028 to 6/2/2023.
Okay, in between. So in the
Lordship.
meantime, he left the university.
Lordship. So, Lordship, at this stage, the reply, in fact,
Now, according to this, the reply, this FIR was not lodged by university.
no,
Not connected.
no, not connected.
So
Lordship.
how do we replace?
Lordship, since Lordship,
Not replacement,
I've not
implement.
implement, Lordship.
What?
I'm praying that Lordship, since the money, that is rupees 16 lakhs, was deposited by the deposited by one Dr. Imu, Lordship.
Doctor?
Dr. Imu,
Hmm.
late Dr. Imu, Lordship.
Hmm.
He has deposited the money from his own account to the petitioner's account. And Lordship, in failing to repay the money, in fact, Lordship, the money was given to the petitioner for
Given to the petitioner by whom?
by Dr. Imu, Lordship, late Dr. Imu.
Remove is in this case. Doctor remove is. Only. Sushil Singh
Lordship.
is the informant.
Late Dr. Imu has given the petitioner, that is the present petitioner,
Hmm.
an amount of 16 lakhs so that the petitioner can approach the central government for a fund for the university, the global university.
Hmm.
And in failing to comply with the duty that has been trusted to the petitioner in a certain time, because the petitioner had fallen sick, the respondent two, that's the informant, Mr. Sushil, has filed this complaint, FIR against the petitioner.
No, this Dr. Imu,
Lordship.
he has given this money to the petitioner on behalf of, the money belongs to whom?
Lordship, the money was transferred from the personal account of Dr. Imu.
Doctor.
Lordship, late Dr. T. Imu.
He is not the informant.
No, Lordship, he's not the informant, Lordship.
Whether he is appearing anywhere, his name in his entire criminal cases.
No, Lordship, he is
nowhere. He is nowhere in the case.
Lordship, he is deceased, Lordship.
Okay.
Late, he's late.
Okay.
So he Lordship, one minute, Lordship.
Whether Sushil Singh says, whether, has he said that he has lodged this FIR on behalf of the university?
Lordship, the FIR is page 4, Lordship. Lordship, there is no whisper, but since he has mentioned that he is the controller of examinations, the Global University, Lordship. As such, and since he has not been authorized by the university to file such complaint, Lordship.
Money belongs to whom? The money given to the petitioner, that money belongs to whom?
The money, Lordship, the money was from the account of the Mr. Dr. T. Au, Lordship. So at this stage,
He was? Who he was?
Lordship, he is the MD, Lordship.
MD of the university?
Lordship. Lordship, the money was given so that the petitioner, since the petitioner Lordship, at this stage, the university being arrayed as one of the party for leading the university as a responsibility to reply on the FIR and on the the petition, stating that the petitioner has not defrauded or has not cheated the university in any way, Lordship. So if Lordship at this stage may be kind enough to amend the course title and implement their responsibility, the Global University as one of the.
Where have you made an environment wherein you were asking the university?
My Lordship.
A reply on it.
My apologies, Lordship.
Have you made any environment against the university or seeking a reply from the university? Which paragraph? Any implication to the university?
Lordship, my
where
paragraph.
the reply of the university is required. Where have you made any environment against the university or seeking reply from the university? So you want to impede the university on what ground?
On the ground that Lordship,
Where,
since the reply of the RTI, there is a page number 10, shows that the university.
They have clarified it that they are not connected with.
Lordship.
They denied it.
Lordship.
So why you want to impede them? My question is.
Yes, Lordship. That's why Lordship, since at the time of filing the FIR by the informant, this is number 2, the controller of examination of the Global University, he was neither authorized to file an FIR, but since he was the controller, he has filed a FIR on his own behalf, stating that the late Dr. T. Au, the MD, has given rupees 16 lakhs to the petitioner. Since the petitioner, being a corporate social responsibility project, where the petitioner was looking for fund for the university from the central government. So, Lordship, at this stage, the university at its best to reply on whatever the amendments have been made in the petition, the criminal petition, Lordship. So if the Lordship at this stage, if Lordship maybe
my question is, where is the environment or the statement anywhere in your petition which you think is against the university or you are seeking reply from the university anywhere?
In my
In your
criminal petition,
yes.
Lordship.
Where? Because unless there is anything, any averment or any allegation or any implication against the university, so where do the university come into picture? Where does they
Lordship,
where they're
since the
enter?
the informant,
Hmm.
the respondent two,
He was controller, but then the university has made it clear that he is not connected with, and they have not said
but
he did not represent the university
Lordship, exactly, Lordship.
in reply to.
But since the money,
Hmm.
Lordship, no doubt the money is not the university. The money was given from the personal account of Mr. Dr. T. Ao,
His personal account only.
Lordship,
Hmm.
on behalf of the university.
Where do we find that? On behalf of university?
Should we come to page number 9, Lordship?
9 of?
Page number 9 of the criminal petition number 24. Page number 9, Lordship.
Yes. Para 6.
Para 6, Lordship.
Hmm.
The day after, in or around the end of July or beginning of August 2022, the petition was contacted by late Dr. Ao and the respondent 2. Inform in hearing again, she was told by late Dr. Ao that they had not been able to secure donations for the university even then. Therefore, he requested the petitioner to attempt securing funds for the university again, while the petitioner assisted the proposal. Late Dr. Ao insisted upon the petitioner's assistance and thereby remitted an amount of rupees 16 lakhs. The issue here in this petition is in respect to this amount, Lordship. The petitioner, for the purpose of expenses that may be incurred in securing the donations. Unfortunately, the petitioner had started developing health issues around time, and she promptly thereafter had communicated to the respondent 2, hearing that she would not be able to help the university secure the donations. However, since the petitioner wanted to absolve herself as speculations of the fraudulent intent on 5/8/2022, she issued a promissory note to the informant to the effect that she would return the above mentioned rupees 16 lakhs to the university by 16/8/2022. To cement the commitment, the petitioner also provided the respondent to informant hearing with post-dated check number so and so, drawn on petitioner's SBI account number so and so. Lordship, those are, Lordship, those promissory note and the check are at Mr. D, Lordship.
Okay.
So, Lordship, at this stage, the university needs to make a party, Lordship.
Okay.
So the humble prayer of the petitioner before this humble court is that if the Lordship be gracious enough to make the rest number 3 and the global university as party rest number 3 in the main petition, Lordship. And to that effect, Lordship, we have filed a memo of parties at Annexure C, Lordship, page 11 of the IA.
Okay. Hard, Mr. Seco Forte. Land council for the applicant. Appellant, not appellant, this is
Lordship,
petition applicant.
applicant-
Applicant petitioner. So, you appear for
For respondent number one.
one,
Respondent.
okay. Straight away implead or notice to be given to the university.
Lordship may implead and notice to be issued, Lordship.
Okay.
As per my IA, Lordship, I have annexed the memo of parties, Lordship, at page number 11, annexure C. Accordingly, maybe implemented as responsible 3 and issue notice in respect of maybe allowed to make the
So this. This is an interlocutory application filed under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. For implement and amendment of the implement and amendment of the course title of the criminal petition number
24, 2023.
Stop. It is submitted that the land council for applicant Mr. Poseto Poseco for the submit that the universe, what is
Global Open University.
the
Page 13. By
is
Global
Page
Open
13.
University, Lordship.
page 13 of the IA.
13.
No.
Lordship,
Okay. The Global Open University, Nagaland. Is a necessary party.
Lordship, page 14 also it will be relevant, represented by its register, page 14. Page 14.
Okay, just a minute. To the criminal petition. Is the money demanded, where is it? Money was to be repaid to the university.
actually, it's for the money was given to the petitioner.
Hmm.
So the petitioner can, since the petitioner is a corporate society,
The release money was
For-
given to the petitioner
Lordship,
on behalf of the university.
Lordship,
At least to have been given to the petitioner on behalf of the global university.
to secure donations for the university, Lordship.
Okay. To secure, given to the petitioner, at least to have been given to the petitioner to secure donation for, with a view to secure donation for the Global Open University, Nagaland. Hence, the university represented by the register. Is necessary to be implemented as the responding party. As a party respondent, staff. Mr. Posego Forte, and also peruse the records. In view of the submission made by the Dana Council for the parties, the petitioner, applicant petitioner, the prayer is allowed. The prayer for improvement of the university, Global Open University is allowed. Accordingly, the Global Open University Nagaland, represented by its registrar, Sojul Ho Village, PO AREC, NH 39, Kohima, Nagaland, is implemented as respondent number 3 to the criminal petition 24/2023 staff. Mr. Angami is present on behalf of Jimomi is present on behalf of respondent number 1.
Lordship.
And then for Sushil, no one is.
Lordship.
Sushil.
No, Lordship, till date, no one has represented
Oh.
Mr.
No one.
the informant.
Represented respondent number 2, Sushil Singh, staff. The petitioner, the applicant stroke petitioner shall take steps upon the newly implemented respondent for service of notice pro register ID,
Lordship.
staff, within
3 days, Lordship.
3 days from today, staff. The petitioner shall also file amended course title.
Lordship, amended course title.
Okay, amended course title to the criminal petition. And the registry shall do the needful. The registry said accordingly do the needful stuff. So with this, that will be in the notice will be in the main petition.
Lordship.
So the
Amendment.
IA is allowed and disposed of. In the main petition, the notice will be in the main petition.
Lordship.
In view of the order passed in the IA, the petitioner shall take steps upon the steps upon the newly implemented respondent number 3 within 3 days by a registered post with AD. List is made after 4 weeks.
Lordship. Hello, Lakshman.
For admission, item number 11.
Yes.
My lord, I'm the petitioner. I think the other party is not very.
Not present.
Yes.
Okay, so as per the record, there is says that there is a possibility of an amicable settlement between the parties. Okay, we could not reach.
Yes, could not reach the settlement, my lord. So this honorable court has.
So now both the parties are ready to pursue with the matter.
Yes, pursue the matter.
So what do we do? So affidavit, pleadings exchanged already.
Yes.
They have
everything
filed
has been-
affidavit.
Yes, they have filed.
You have also filed your
Yeah,
reply.
I've also filed, my lord.
Okay, then the pleading completed.
Pleading, yes,
The-
almost completed. but,
Almost or completed. If it
yes,
is completed, we can list it for hearing.
Lodge.
Admit and list it for hearing.
Lodge.
Okay. Mr. M. Kasser. You are Mr. M. Kasser?
M, sorry, yes.
Okay. Mr. M. Kasser, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. K. Angami, Government Advocate, staff. The Learned Counsel for the party submits that the pleading is completed. The matter is ready for hearing, staff. Accordingly, this case is admitted. List is matter for hearing. After?
After
4
3
weeks. After 3 weeks.
Yes. I know, that's.
For admission, item number 19.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, here I'm appearing on behalf of I.H. Sakia, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray the matter can be posted after 1 week, Your Lordship.
Okay. Nineteen.
19, Your Lordship.
Okay. So affidavit in opposition also not filed. Filed or what? Not yet.
Not yet, Lordship.
Not yet.
Yes, Lordship. However, Lordship, I'm informed that the parties are coming to a compromise, Lordship. They're in a settlement, Lordship.
Okay.
So, Your
yes,
Lordship, the matter can come up after 1 week, Your Lordship, to get instructions.
This is criminal petition.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
First question of FIR, Your Lordship.
Okay. Had Mr.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
Counsel for
The petition.
the petitioner and Miss Lily.
Mika,
Huh?
Mika, Lordship, for respondent number 1.
Okay, Mika. Counsel for the respondent number
1, Lordship.
1. And who is for the? Okay. For counsel. I've also heard Mr. Counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3. You represent 2 and 3 public prosecutors. And what about 3?
Your Lordship, there's only 2 responses, Your Lordship.
There's 3.
No, Lordship, there's only 2, Lordship.
Only
In adjudication.
Lordship, respondent number 3 has been excluded, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Has been deleted, Your Lordship.
Deleted. Okay, the 3 has been deleted.
Yes, Your Lordship, just only.
Okay. Okay, this is same only.
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is, okay. The Learned Counsel for the party. So do we need to record that it is the council?
No, Your Lordship. The
Settlement not
matter can be
required.
listed.
Not
after-
required.
A week's time, Lordship.
Okay,
Yes,
as
sir.
prayed for by the Learned Counsel for the parties. Lease is matter after
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week. Okay.
Much
March.
obliged.
For admission, item number 25.
May I please about it?
Yes.
Lordship, I would like to place the case diary, Lordship.
Okay, Zari was called for.
Lordship, Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, till date,
Miss
they
Vice-
are.
Yes,
under-
Alam.
Lordship. Till that they are under protection, Lordship. However, Lordship, by order dated 17/10/2023, Lordship. Lordship, this honorable court has passed an direction, Lordship, which the relevant portion will be at page 3. Page 3 of the order dated 17/10/2023, Lordship. So in relevant portion, may I read, Lordship?
Yes.
However, in the meanwhile, considering the fact that a present petitioner appears to be registered owner of the vehicle, which is subject matter of the FIR, he is hereby directed to appear before
Which paragraph you're reading?
the last paragraph, Lordship.
Okay, yes.
However,
Mm,
however, in the meanwhile, considering the fact that the present petitioner appeared to be registered owner of the vehicle, which is subject matter of the FIR,
yes.
he is hereby directed to appear before the investigating officer of the Mezipima Police Station number 18/2023 within a period of 10 days from the date of this order, and
Yes.
shall cooperate with the investigating officer in fair completion of investigation. And if he does so within the stipulated period of time, in the even of his arrest in connection with the Mizipima Police Station case number so and so, he shall be allowed to go on interim bail of rupees 30,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, with the condition that the petitioner shall cooperate in the investigation of this case.
Yes.
And it was supposed to be listed on 8/11/2023, Lordship, for the production of the case diary, Lordship.
Mhm.
However, Lordship, the petitioner counsel, he did not appear on this very day. And then,
Petitioner-
Lordship.
Petitioner did not appear
Yes, Lordship.
within
And
the
in spite
stipulated
of-
time.
Yes, in spite of this order, Lordship, even the accused, he did not appear before the investigating agency, Lordship. And then he is trying to evade from the investigating agency, Lordship.
What is the offense registered against the accused?
Lordship,
379.
Lordship. Fire. FIR is at page 12, Lordship, of the main petition, Lordship.
Then you see, within the stipulated time,
Lordship.
the accused was directed to appear.
Yes, Lordship.
And in the event of his appear before the IO,
Yes,
the
Lord.
case, then the IO shall release
Yes,
on interim anticipatory bail. But then since he failed,
Lordship.
now what prevent the IO to arrest the accused
No, Lordship.
thereafter?
Lordship.
Hmm.
Since the matter is subsidies before this honorable court,
Now,
Lordship,
it has not been extended.
it has not been extended.
Then
It has not
what prevent the IO?
Lordship, IO, he has some apprehension that since the matter is before this honorable court, until and unless this matter is disposed of, this anticipatory bail is disposed of, then he has apprehension that.
Now, the order clearly says
Lordship,
that within, if he appear within the stipulated,
Lordship,
it appears within the
Yes.
stipulated period of time in the event of.
Lordship.
So thereafter on 11, whether it had, whether this matter came up on 11th. Directed to be listed on 8/11. Whether this matter was listed on 8/11, no,
No,
not on record.
not.
Case was not listed. So when this case diary, this is case diary,
Lordship, this is a.
when this was forwarded by the IO? On which date? No, this is old one.
Lordship, this is.
Okay, 16/1.
Yes, Lordship. 16.
Where is the relevant portion that he has not appeared?
Mm, the last paragraph.
Okay.
It is to be mentioned that the letter number so and so regarding call of case diary fixed on 8/11/23 was received by the post on 4/1/2024. Moreover, the alleged accused persons Samsul Haq has not appeared before the investigation at any point of time, thereby violating the condition of pre-arrest bail as mentioned in the order. It is therefore prayed that the authority may kindly appeal for cancellation of the pre-arrest bail, anticipatory bail, Lordship. So, Lordship, my humble prayer before Lordship is, since the accused, he is trying to evade from the investigating agency, Lordship. This, my humble prayer before the Lord.
What is the finding against the accused, by the way, in the case diary? So this is non-appearance. What is the finding against the accused in the meantime, during the investigation period? Is there any material against the accused?
Yes, Lord.
So we can say, we can just, the cancellation of bail. So we can just go through the para 2, we can read. You have the copy?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, during the course of inquiry, visited PO, we can just read this paragraph if there is any material against the accused. Yes, please.
During the course of inquiry, I visited the PO and examined the complainant as well as the driver of the vehicle dumper, and throughout verification was conducted. However, no physical digital evidence to identify the miscreant involved were found. Also, all mobile parties and check gates were intimated through police control room and circulated WT message number Mezipima so and so to all OCs and neighboring states for lookout. During inquiry, information received on dated 31/8/2023 from reliable source that a stolen vehicle, very important Lordship, stolen vehicle was sighted at Dobagao, Nagaon, Assam, nearby the house of Samsul Hawk. And even photograph of the
Samsul Hawk is the petitioner.
Lordship, he is the petitioner and he is the one who has stolen the said vehicle, Lordship.
Okay.
And now the stolen vehicle is under his custody, Lordship.
Under his custody.
Lordship. And then he reside in Assam, Dobagao, Lordship.
Okay.
Dobagao, Nagaon, Lordship.
Okay, during inquiry, okay, let us read it again.
And even photograph of the stolen vehicle has been taken by witnesses. On this regard, on dated 2/9/2023, inquiry report was submitted to OC Mezipima PS to register the case. On submission of inquiry report, OC Mezipima PS registered a case by so and so under section 379 IPC dated 2/9/2023 and endorsed to me for further investigation. During the course of investigation, it is learned from the source that a stolen vehicle is in the custody of the first owner, namely Samsul Hawk and his son Razul Hawk at Dabaga, Assam, and the first owner and his son is acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the instant case. As such, notice under section 41 ACRPC has been sent 3 times by post and even 3 mail to Samsul Hawk and Razul Hawk to appear before the investigating agency on 12/9/23, 2/10/23, and 27/10/23 respectively. And the same notice copy has also been sent to Superintendent of Police Hosai District, Assam, and the officer in charge of the Bogao Police Station, Assam, for information and with request to serve the notice further. Verbal telephonic conversation has been made with the officer in charge of the Bogao PS about the instant case. However, there is no any positive response action till that project. It is mentioned that your letter number so and so November 2023 regarding call of case diary fixed on 8/11/23 was received by the post on 4/1/2024. Moreover, the alleged accused person, Samsul Hawk, has not appeared before the investigation at any point of time, thereby violating the condition of pre-arrest bail as mentioned in the order. It is therefore prayed that the authority may kindly appeal for cancellation of the pre-arrest bail anticipatory bail. Lordship.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Jamomi, RPP, who has produced the case study of the produced it. What is MCD? And the CD of Medjifema PS case number 001823 under section 379 IPC. And I have perused the same stock. By an order dated 17/10/2023. Come. while calling for the case study. The petitioner was directed to appear before the eye of the case at Medjugorje police station in connection with the Medjugorje PS case number 18/2023 within a period of 10 days from the date of the order of the said order, from the date of the said order. And to cooperate with the IO in fair completion of the investigation of the case. So it is further directed that if the petitioner appear before the eye of the case within the stipulated period of time and in the event of his arrest in connection with the Medjugorje police station case number 18/2023, he shall be allowed to go on interim bail of rupees 30,000 with one surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, with the further condition that the petitioner shall cooperate in the investigation of the case. While submitting the MCD and CD of the above PS above PS case, then PP also submitted the prayer, the status report and the prayer of the IO of the case addressed to the PP. And I perused the same stuff. It is submitted that during the course of investigation, the IO found that the vehicle, the stolen vehicle, the alleged stolen vehicle was in the custody of the petitioner. And as such, notice under section 41A CRPC was sent to the accused 3 times by post and even through mail to the petitioner. And petitioner Samsul Haq and one Rajul Haq to appear before the IO. On 12/9/2023, 2/10/2023, and 27/10/2023. However, there was no response from the accused till date. It is also submitted that although this court has directed the accused to appear before the eye of the case within a stipulated time, stipulated period of 10 days from the date of order, date of the order, that is 17/10/2023. However, the accused applicant has never appeared before the eye of the case till date. Hence, playful. And since the accused has failed to appear before the eye of the case as directed by this honorable court, and thereby violated the condition of the pre-arrest bail, it is prayed that the arrest bail granted to the petitioner on 17/10/2023 be cancelled stop. No one appears on behalf of the petitioner. And since the accused has failed to appear before, failed to comply the order and to appear before the eye of the case as directed, eye of the case within the stipulated period of 10 days as directed by this court on 17/10/2023. And despite of the lapse of about 3 months, the petitioner failed to appear before the eye of the case. I am not inclined to extend the interim pre-arrest bail granted to the petitioner on 17/10/2023. Accordingly, the okay. As a result, the IO may take necessary steps for arrest of the accused. List is matter after 4 weeks. Okay. So there, nothing prevents IO to arrest actually hereafter. After that, the IO can also easily show the court that since he was not appearing and for about 90 days. So after waiting and after the expiry of the arrest was made only after the expiry of the stipulated period of time. That could have been done. Okay.
We're hearing item number 31.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship, I would like to mention on behalf of my senior additional AG Imti Imso for the state respondent, Lordship. Lordship, if this matter can come up after 3 weeks.
Okay. This was also partly actually it was heard by Justice Debosis also.
Lordship.
Extensively it was heard.
Lordship.
It was kept part heard also thereafter, of course. My release, but he has heard extensively. Anyway, so on the prayer of Mr. Jimomi, on behalf of
Imti Imso, additional AG.
additional AG for the state of Nagaland, list is matter after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3
weeks.
3 weeks.
Lordship.
3
weeks.
Okay. Stop. Miss. Miss
Mika, Lordship.
Mika, na?
Yes, Lordship.
Mika, how do we pronounce it?
Mika, Lordship. Mika.
M-I-K.
No, Mika, H-I.
H-I, yes, Lordship.
Okay, so no need to pronounce this. Okay.
Yes.
Miss Mika is also present on behalf of the petitioner. Okay, stop. As prayed for by the Land Council for the on behalf of the respondent. List is matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Ikut no, no. Ikut sampai lo tuh pas itu kan next day. Dispose matter na. Kung next day kudu dispose na. Oi. Mau dia deh, coba tinggal mana? Betul.